Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Sunday morning and we're going out for, I forgot what it's called, but I'll put the name on the screen right now, just down there. And so we're going out for, whatever it's called, I forgot what it's called, with my uncle, my sisters and my mum. We're not going out with my dad because he's not feeling up to it because he's been sick. But, yes, I've got to get dressed and do my hair, so I'll meet you guys when I've done that. Whoa, more YouTube magic, look. Jumper and jeans. But now, there's one more thing we need. I'll show you that now. Alright, ready? Watch this, guys. Whoa, it works, look. I've got my shoes on. They aren't tied though. I'm going to have to think of a trick to tie them up. I'll think of one. And see you guys when I've thought of one. I think I may have an idea. Oh, different angle as well. I think it worked. Yep, look, it worked. I went on and everything. I'll meet you guys when we're there. I've got a lot of editing to do today. Oh, great. Oh, like I did yesterday. And my video delayed as well. I had to edit it all over again. It was so annoying. See you guys in a minute, guys. So, I've got to do my hair. So I'll time lapse it, so got my product. My time lapse will start now. Alright guys, so just did a quick time lapse of me doing my hair. Then you might have he'd like squeaking and was like really fast talking. I won't mute that because that's kind of funny. And the toilet keeps going off, so that will be funny in the time lapse. I wonder what that sounds like. But we're going to go to the pub. Or no, not the pub. I don't know where we're going for breakfast, but I'll meet you guys there. So see you then. Alright guys, welcome back. So we've just finished up having lunch. It was like really good. We got I got scrambled eggs. It was really good. I'll leave the name of the place in the description, and it will also be on the screen right now, just down there. So I'm gonna go roast my sister. So we'll go do that. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna roast you.
Oh no, don't roast me.
Yeah, I just did. Alright guys, welcome back. So I've got my phone just here. Yeah, I do have a phone, but well, I did because it broke. It like the back just came off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like what's inside an iPhone 4 because this is an iPhone 4. So so then this video will hopefully be exciting for you guys. Let's do that now. Right guys, welcome back. So I've just got like a board here so I can open it and it doesn't like scratch and go everywhere. So I'm going to try to rip this off. Hard to rip off, but alright. Oh, got a crack. I can see a little bit more inside. Not sure if you can, but it's coming off. I'll do like a time lapse of me opening it so it's not too long. Alright guys, I just pulled the back part off and this is what it looks like inside. Like, I think this is like the battery and stuff. Might be able to get further into this. I'm curious to see like what's under the rest of it. I'm gonna break this part off just here. There we go. Got the back part off. And now we've just got this part. So I'm gonna just have a look around. Got some circuit boards just in there. I'm sure you can see like just in there and stuff. I'm pretty sure this is the battery, so I'm not gonna like rip that open because that could like leak. Hang on, it says warning, burning, do not disassemble, burn. Yep, it says not to disassemble, but I think that's just like this battery. This here is where the camera was. So I think that's gonna have to do it for this just like it's pretty cool and stuff. I might do something else with it in a future video. So I will go find something to do. Might do something with my sister or something. So yeah, that's what's inside an iPhone 4. Used to look like that, now it looks like that. So that's going to do it for what's inside the iPhone 4. Might go do something else entertaining because this was pretty quick and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I found something. Alright guys, welcome back. So I decided I might rip it apart a bit more. So we've got some screwdrivers. The holes are pretty small, so hopefully this small screwdriver will fit. But they are really tiny. Not sure if it is going to fit. Oh, yep, it fits. That's good. Just going to undo this. Oh, got it off. Oh my god, the screw is tiny. You probably won't even be able to see that, but that's the screw right there. No, not just there. That is the screw. It is tiny. Now I've lost it, it's so tiny. Alright, well, gonna keep doing this. I'll do another time lapse. Alright guys, welcome back. So I've gotten into the iPhone as much as I can. I've got this piece, the SIM card that I had in there, and this piece, the battery, which just popped out. I didn't even try to get the battery out, but it just came out. This piece, this was the camera, you can see just there. The back piece, which I took off first. This piece where the which was under the home button, and loads of other like little tiny pieces and stuff. So I'm gonna put this all in a bag and stuff. So we'll get on with the rest of this vlog. Alright guys, welcome back. So it's raining at the moment, you can probably hear it. My window's like soaked and stuff, but I'm gonna have to end up today's vlog and start editing. So be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed me taking apart the iPhone. Peace out.